Okay, next visual effects from here is a mask for masking your work, your video. I will show you now. Just drag and drop on your video. Suddenly you can see we have a circle based on the settings. You can select thing, shape, oval or rectangle. We have a shape that you can change it, and you can see it mask all of video. For example, it is a window that you can move it and see different part of your video. Interesting. Or you can invert it if you want. So in this case, it's not important. You can rotate it if you want. Oh, sorry. Rotate mask here. You can change opacity of that, something like this. You can change blend of that. You can, as I said before, you can go and assign it to the specific part of the video with is in and out. I explained it before. Smoothly in and smoothly out. You can see played, focus to some time and write something and done. So this is a mask. You can use it if you want. You can add a corner to that. Very simple. You can see. For example, this part, I want to mask this part. The mask is this. It's a window that is cut, and all of other windows a wall, and you can see the video just through this mask and gone. So you can create such a effects with mask or any shape that you want. Interesting.